that amplify means?
Changing the frequency and phase of the to the required with
Not
the
so
help of
clear.
carrier signal.
Yeah, correct. Carrier signal will be what? Helping the input signal. Correct. Now, why we need amplification? See, already
Communications.
communication. Okay, but exactly, particularly why you need this amplification? What amplification does, or what amplifier does? So this you have studied in DC, correct?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Remaining Priyanka, Chetana, P, M, Mitali, Kaveri.
So to increase the power signal.
To increase the power signal. Okay. We will be increasing the power. Hmm. Yes. What exactly this amplifier does? Yeah. Yeah. Chetana P.
It increases the frequency.
It increases the frequency. What do you do with increasing in frequency? Mitali, Kaveri, Ankita. Hello. Now audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Course, you are correct. It will be increasing the frequency or power, or in term, particularly it will be increasing in terms of voltage or current, or in general power. Correct? Now, why you are going to do this? See, if we know these basics, then it will be clear to understand with respect to optical amplifiers. Okay. Yeah. I will just ask you a question. I have a signal. Okay. Now, for how long that signal will be able to travel? For some distance, correct? For example, it has to reach 100 kilometers. Now I have a signal which reaches 80 kilometers. Correct? Now, but it has to reach another 20 kilometers. Now what we should do?
Amplify the signal.
Yeah, we amplify the signal. Now what that amplifies? It means you are adding power to that signal so that it covers another 20 kilometers. It means what exactly we do there? We strengthen the signal. Correct? Now what is the function of this carrier signal? What that does? It continuously monitors the input signal. It continuously tracks the input signal so that it should be able to reach till the destination. If it is affected with noise, it tries to remove that internal noise, and it increases the signal voltage by a large factor. Correct? The main purpose of amplifiers here is it removes the internal noise. Now, why it has to remove the internal noise? Due to internal noise, it reduces its efficiency. Now, once its efficiency is reduced, it may not be able to travel further. That is why the first and foremost important thing the amplifier does is it removes the internal noise first. Now, once it is removed, automatically what it increases the signal voltage by some large factor, then it will be able to travel some more. Correct? Now, what do you mean by optical amplifier? Now, what exactly this optical amplifier does? Anyone has any idea regarding this? Yes. What may be this optical amplifier? See, again, it is self-explanatory. What you know, what is an amplifier? What amplifier does? Correct. Now amplifier is a general word. Correct. There it will be purely working with an audio signal or video signal, anything it could be. Correct. Now, if I consider optical amplifier, now what it will be? See,
It
this is a
increases
device
the
which will-
communication network. Optical
it
network.
increases the
Optical communication networks
uh, not network.
to the longer distance.
It will be amplifying optical signal directly. Okay. Here there is no need to convert it to electrical signal. I hope you got me. Amplifier what? Usually amplifier will be dealing with electrical signals. Now when I have an optical amplifier, that will be requiring what? Optical signals itself. It means it purely works with optical signal. It means no need to convert it in the form of electrical signal. Correct? It means it doesn't convert to electrical signal. Without converting directly for an optical signal, amplification will happen. So that is the function of home optical amplifier. Okay. Next. Now, this optical amplifier will be studying in module 4. Okay. Now we have different types of amplifiers like wideband amplifier. Then we have doped amplifiers. Then we have semiconductor optical amplifiers. Then we have Raman amplifiers. There are so many amplifiers. 3 to 4 types of different amplifiers. I mean optical amplifiers we will be studying in module 4 again. Okay. Next, completely module 5 is purely dealing with networks, optical networks. Correct. Now, what is a network? What is the general meaning of a network? What do you mean by network? Vitali?
Connection of large number of nodes or people.
Very good. It is a collection of nodes. Now, why you require a network?
For communication purpose, like from one end to many.
Communication. Correct. Now, what do you mean by optical networks? Now, again, this will be a communication associated with light waves that I can define in that way. Correct. Now, optical networks will be completely in terms of what the light signals. See, whatever the LAN or Wi-Fi, I can call those also as a network. But those networks will be in terms of data signals. Correct? Now, what we are going to study, that is optical network. Here, this optical networking or optical network will be again a communication, but it will be using a signals which will be encoded in the form of light. I mean, the information will be transmitted in the form of light. Correct? This is simple definition associated with what? The optical network. Now, optical networking is purely a communication which will be using signals. Now here the signals will be encoded in the form of light just to transmit the information. Correct? Now can you give me the example of this optical network or applications of this optical network? Anyone? Can anyone give me the application of this optical network? Where you can find these optical networks?
Wi-Fi connections.
Wi-Fi. Okay, not
We
exactly.
use optic fibers for connecting.
We use capital.
We use
Come again.
we use optical fibers for connection.
Yeah, we use optical fibers for connection. Where you use those?
Sir, while taking Wi-Fi is like from
Wi-Fi means it is completely wireless, right?
sir,
Correct.
but we need connections like from us or like operator to our house.
Yeah, till a hub. It means till that particular Wi-Fi router, there is a connection. Very good. Correct. Now from router, it will be spreading the signals without wire. I mean, without wire or wireless. Correct. Yeah.
Yes.
Next, other example. Others. Chetana, Srisha,
So metropolitan.
Metropolitan. What exactly in Metropolitan? What is that Metropolitan? I didn't get that. I'm just asking the application of optical networks means where optical fibers are used indirectly. Correct? Huh. Where exactly these optical fibers or optical networking is used? Okay, I will just mention. See, it is used in medical fields. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How?
In laser, sir.
Yeah, very good. Lasers. Okay. For surgeries, lasers are used. Again, that laser is nothing but what? Again, this is a tool through which the what light waves will be passing. Those light waves are nothing but what? Again, it is through the fibers itself. Okay. Next, in telecommunications. Either it could be landline or networking purpose or the yeah. Tell me, DTH, whether DTH uses is OFC or no? I hope you know the DTH. Correct? Your DTH will work on optical fiber based or no? Your DTH network is OFC based or no?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
It uses?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it uses, correct? Now, see, see from satellite till your setup box, we have a cable. Correct. Now, what is that cable? That is hybrid fire. It will be a hybrid fiber cable. Again, that is a passive optical network. We can call it as. Okay. Now, see, there are n number of what applications associated with what this FON or fiber optics. Okay. Now we'll exactly see what exactly is this fiber optics. Now today we'll just see the basics. Okay, I will just go through uh, what is fiber optics. Then we'll see which with what materials it is made use of. Then we'll see just its history. Then what it's what I can tell specific applications again. Now, in a way or in a general manner or in a general idea, we have seen. So, to be as a specific, we'll see what are all its applications. Huh. When you have learned this fiber optics, anyone? Do you remember when you have learned fiber optics? PUC 2 or your engineering?
Sir, in PUC 2.
In PUC 2, not in engineering?
Sir, it's there in engineering.
Okay. Now, based on that knowledge, just answer me why this fiber optic communication came. Earlier, before this OFC, we had what? Still, we have communication networks. Okay, without OFC, also a communication is possible. But what makes or how this OFC is different from normal communication? I hope you
It is
got my question. Yes. Huh.
So to overcome the noise.
To overcome the noise. Okay.
Sir, it has the longer distance and high bandwidth.
Okay, longer distance, high bandwidth, then it will be having less noise, correct? Next,
Yes.
Sir, it is more flexible, so it has less noise.
it is more
Flexible, sir.
flexible, very good, huh? It is more flexible, correct. Yeah, then any other answers?
Due to lower attenuation and interference, sir.
Correct, of course, there will be when it has to travel for a longer distance, it should be with low attenuation. Okay, that is one of the prime requirement with respect to communication technology. Correct. Now earlier, whatever communication they were using, I mean the traditional way, or I can tell, or the old methods of communication, found a lot of disadvantages. Like what are all you advantages? What you have listed there, all those will be in, or all those were disadvantages for the earlier type of communication. Correct. Like it had a lot of noise, it could not travel longer distance. Correct. Next, high amount of noise will be added, or used to add for that earlier or older communication. Now to just to remove all those, many research have taken place. Yeah, now due to the result of those research, we are in a very good condition to make a highly or improved what communication technology. Now, can anyone tell me which particular G is going on now? I mean, with respect to communication, is it 4G? Still, are we in 4G or 5G? Or what is the latest technology? I mean, generation. Anyone? No, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, 6G. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Which is in? I mean, which particular technology is in India and abroad?
Sir, we are in still 4G and 5G. They are in 6G.
Okay, the present technology is working on 6G. Okay, already 5G and what 6G is already implemented in what other parts. I mean, other parts of the world. Okay, but still we are in 4G itself. Now, I hope you already know the difference between those Gs. Correct? 3G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and 6G. Okay, if you don't know, kindly go through the difference between those Gs. Okay, now that is one among the study with respect to fiber optics. Fine. Now what exactly is this fiber optics? Can anyone tell me? This fiber optics, okay, which we can also call those as optical fibers. Now, what these usually are made up of? Have anyone has seen this OFC cable? Have you
Yes.
just Yeah, have you just
Yes.
dissected it and seen what all we can find it in that OFC cable? Yeah, Mitali, then all have seen, correct?
Yes.
Where you have seen, you have to tell me. Where you have seen
So
that
that
OFC cable?
showpiece, so that optical fiber
Lab.
showpiece.
Yeah, you had an experiment in the last sem, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then, apart from that lab, where you have seen practically?
So
The
optical
show.
fiber showpiece.
Sorry?
So we have that showpiece like fibers, optical fiber showpiece.
Showcase?
Showpiece.
Showpiece, where?
It so we'll be having in home.
You are having it in home. Using for?
So just for a showpiece, we'll keep it on table.
Okay, just for a showcase. Fine. Okay. Now, you know, those, we have two types of cable in that, correct? Now, on what principle these optical fibers will work? With what principle these optical fibers will be working? See, this, what? Basic question with respect to optical fibers.
So through light.
No, light is a form through which the light waves or signals are passing. I'm asking you with what principle or with what phenomena or with what technique the light wave will be passing. You know, this optical fiber has two different parts, core, cladding, and all those. I hope you remember this. Core part, cladding part, and all those. Correct? Now, with what principle these light waves will be traveling within these OFC cables? Now, I mean, whether the light waves will just pass through the cable in a straight line manner, or how is it?
Sir, reflection.
Okay, reflection, correct. How exactly it reflects? See, a very popular diagram with respect to OFC, you already know it. How is it? If I have a cable, there will be internal reflections. See, this internal reflection word is important here. I hope you already know, but you cannot, I hope you are not remembering it. Total internal reflection. Am I correct? Did you remember now?
Yes.
Yeah, total internal reflection. Using this, a purely optical fiber communication will happen. It means the light will be traveling inside within the core part and cladding part. It reaches the top end and it comes at the bottom end. Then again, there will be some angle with which, I mean, with particular angle, it will be traveling. Now, what that angle is called as? Anyone? What
Incident
that angle? Sorry?
incidence angle, sir.
Incidence angle, of course. The first when it incidents, that angle we call it as an incident angle. Correct? Now, next question. The same angle, will it be maintained throughout the cable or throughout the communication? I mean, with respect to reflections, the angle will change or the same angle will be maintained. See, you can draw what? A triangular waves. Correct? If I am not wrong. You know how the triangular waves are. Now, you know how you will be drawing a sine wave. Similarly, just draw a triangular wave. This triangular wave, the triangular wave, whatever you have drawn, using these triangular waves, there will be a reflection. I mean, the reflection will be of the triangular kind in OFC cables. Now, do you think the angle is changing or is it fixed throughout the communication in that cable? If you just draw a triangular wave, anywhere the angle is changing?
The minute
Getting?
angle will be changing, not complete.
Yeah, usually it will be almost fixed. Correct? Okay. Now we have here outer covering, then inner covering, what I just told, that is core part and cladding part. Okay. So cladding will be, I mean, the core, whatever the optical material we have, that will be within the core, and that core will be surrounded by the cladding part. That is the plastic coating part. Now, the why this plastic coating is required is just it just protects the fiber from moisture and damage. Correct. Now you know moisture and some part of what the cable may get damaged due to external world or some other things. Particularly just to avoid these damages, these will be, I mean, these these fibers will be protected using some plastic coating. Correct. Now that part will be calling as cladding part. Now within this cladding part, we have a core part. Now through this core, the light signals will be moving in a triangular form. I mean, using total internal concept. Next, these optical fibers are of two types, or these will be traveling with two modes: single mode, multi mode. Now, can anyone tell me what is a single mode, multi mode? If you can remember, single mode, multi mode. Where these are used? Single mode, multi mode. Anyone? Vitali? Single mode, multi mode. See, this subject is very interesting. Now, when I start the actual syllabus, you really find it very interesting. I make sure that I don't bore you. Yes. Single mode, multi mode, you have heard or not? At least answer me.
Heard, sir, but don't know where it like applies.
Okay, fine. So single mode is usually used for long distances. It means it will be having a small course and it will be transmitting the laser light for a longer distance. That is single mode. Okay. Next we have multi modes. So multi mode, these are used for short distances. It will be having a large course wherein it will be transmitting the IR lights. Okay. See, just remember single mode will be used for long distances and it will be having a small course. Correct. Now, when we have small cores, it will be helping the waves to travel for long distance. Okay. Now, multi-mode means these will be traveling. I mean, these will be normally used for short distances. Okay, wherein these will be having large cores. Now, when we have large cores, okay, those will be usually made to travel only for short distances. Okay. Next. Now, with what material these fiber cables are made? Can anyone tell me? See, just normally, if I take just an electrical wire, what those electrical wires are made up of? Has anyone seen or no electrical wire? Yeah? Hello. Electrical wires are made up of what? How many have seen wires? Opened the wire, made the connection. Whether it is made up of copper or
Copper
silver,
strings.
yeah, it will be a copper. Correct? Now, the same copper material is used for OFC or no?
No, sir.
No, right? Fiber optics are replacing those copper wires. It means this, if I use a copper wires, there may be a chances of electrical shocks. Correct? That is why fiber optics, these are steadily replacing these copper wires. Okay. Now, what may be the advantage? If I ask you what is an advantage of fiber optics over copper means, these fiber optics are thinner than that copper material. Correct? Yes or no? Do you agree or no?
Sir.
You have seen OFC cable and you have seen the normal wires. Correct? The normal wires are usually made of copper. If you consider fiber optics, these will be replacing those copper wires. Next, these fiber optics are thinner or thicker than the normal wires.
Thinner, sir.
Thinner, of course, these should be thinner. Correct? And now, next question is with what material these fiber optics are made?
Silicon.
Sorry?
Silicon.
Silicon.
Glass.
Plastic clad silica.
Sorry?
Plastic clad silica.
I'm not hearing your voice.
Plastic.
Yeah, some plastic kind of nature. I think those that we cannot call it as a plastic material. These will be some glass-like material or crystalline materials which we'll be using over here. Okay. It means these are having less chances of getting electrical shocks. It means these doesn't affect the digital information or the waves which are passing through. If suppose if again I use copper material for this OFC cable, then there will be no difference in earlier communication and what communication is happening using OFC cables. Okay. Next, with these material like glass like material or some silica material, using if I use these materials, these will be able to travel for longer wavelength. Okay, longer wavelength means large for a large distance. Okay. Now the next part is this will be of one more advantage is it takes less space. As I told, it is a thinner, these are flexible, and these are of course again lightweight, and no, there will be no danger of fire or something. Correct? Okay. You have next class right now? Okay, then we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next class. Okay, tomorrow we'll start with the syllabus. I thought to start syllabus today only, but just to know the basics, just to understand the basics, I have just took these basics about fiber optics, its application, what is it, and how it is made, how it works. Okay, from tomorrow we'll start the actual syllabus. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.